wait. Just wait. Feast your eyes. We're making cinnamon rolls. Use my dinner roll recipe. Don't forget the tongue jung. It makes them incredibly soft. While the dough is proofing, we make the filling. 3/4 cups sugar, 2 tablespoons ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons Madagascar vanilla powder. Mix. Punch the dough. Lightly flour your surface. Roll it out into a rectangle, 16 by 12 inches. 12 tablespoons unsalted butter. Soften. Spread it over the dough, leaving a 1/2-inch border. Sugar and cinnamon mixture. Starting at the long end, roll it up tight. Butter a 9 by 12-inch baking dish. Divide into 8. Use a serrated knife. Little chefy tip: between each cut, clean your knife so it doesn't look sloppy. Add to the baking dish. Cover it. Let them proof until doubled in size. 60 minutes. Room temp. We don't want to melt the butter. For the glaze, 2 cups confectionery sugar, 1/4 cup whole milk, pure vanilla extract. Just eyeball it. Whisk. Slightly thick, like that. Into the oven, 375 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes. Re-whisk the glaze.